Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Journey backup camera. We'll start by identifying the most common culprits behind a non-functional camera. Often, the solution is surprisingly simple, saving you time and money. We'll walk through easy-to-follow steps, helping you diagnose the problem effectively. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach these repairs, whether it's a quick fix or time for a professional. First, let's tackle the easiest fixes. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your camera lens. Dirt or grime is a frequent cause of a blurry or black screen. Next, locate your vehicle's fuse box, often under the hood or dashboard, and check the fuse designated for the backup camera. A blown fuse is a common and simple fix. Finally, gently inspect the wiring connections in the tailgate and behind your display unit for any looseness. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, it's time for more advanced steps. Try performing a system reset by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes. This can often clear minor electrical glitches. Next, carefully inspect the entire wiring harness leading to the camera for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion. If you have a multimeter, you can test the camera's power supply for proper voltage. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the problem persists. If you've tried all these steps and your backup camera is still not working, it's wise to consult a certified automotive technician. They possess specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to pinpoint more complex electrical issues or internal camera failures. Replacing the camera itself or addressing deeper wiring problems often requires specific knowledge and equipment, ensuring a proper and lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.